What's up, guys? Running Bear Central here, Tyler. Had a real long day, real long night. Got to the top of the mountains, dropped off the car liner, picked up the Chief, 3-tower Chief. I've already spent probably 2 or 3 hours pressure washing it and getting it pretty clean. I'm gonna unload it. I'm gonna put the whole thing on video of me unloading it, and it's not gonna be nothing special, but this is the next stepping stone to maybe get some good videos on some measuring, teach you guys how to do some good measuring with the tram gauge, things like that. Hopefully I had a lot of great help loading it up, and it went very, very well. And hopefully I can unload it just as easily. I probably won't be able to, but I got a little help here with the forklift, so hopefully I can be able to unload it just as easy and get it turned around. I actually have it backwards on the truck, but that's all right. It came out of the building where it was at really well, and I'm gonna get it set up here. And it's not gonna be in its permanent spot for right now, but it is gonna be in the spot for now right here. So we'll get it set up, and we'll go from there. More of a... What's up, guys? I am burnt. I am so tired. Today was so long. I didn't go to bed till like 2 a.m. I didn't get up. I got up at like 6. I just want to give a big shout out to the gentleman that helped me load this thing up. Obviously, you can tell it was quite the entertainment to... I am filthy and burnt out. It's quite the entertainment to unload it. But here's the runaround of it. I haven't got the serial number or model number yet. But it is quite nice. It is very nice. It is a Chief Easy Liner. And I'm just going to stop while I'm ahead. Before I make any mistake, I'm so tired, burnt out, and wore out that I'm just going to... Look at it, it even comes with this... I'd never seen one that come with a RAM. So that's interesting. We'll have some fun with that on the videos. It's got a mini RAM too. So we can really straighten some cars out. So, but all around, I'm going to get this thing finished up and moved into place tomorrow on a fresh day. It's off the wrecker. It's off the wrecker. I am wore out. I am plumb wore out. It's off the wrecker though, and we didn't do any damage to it, and that was the hardest part. So next I'm going to put a VW Bug on here. I got a 2007 VW Bug that's hit really hard, pushed off to the left side, I think. I can't remember. Yeah, it's off to the driver's side. That's going to be the first project up on here. We got full clamps. This is a really nice machine. It's ready to go. It's ready to use. It's got huge chains on it. But tomorrow we're gonna have a fresh day. I'm gonna have a fresh night of sleep. Tomorrow we're gonna get up early. Gotta do 1 or 2 things in the morning, and then we're gonna load this Bug up and start doing some tramming out. Get some videos on the tube for that. If you would like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I know this wasn't a very educational video today, but hopefully you got some entertainment out of it. I was scared out of my wits end to drop this thing or damage the asphalt or just damage the machine in general. I've worked hard to get this machine, and it was a lot of work just today to get this machine. So the last thing I wanted to do was to drop it. So the girlfriend came in with a brilliant idea of bringing the MOG up. I'm just out of gas for the day, but she came up with the idea to bring the MOG up and pick up the other side, and that worked brilliantly, so we got to give her a thumbs up for that. But you guys, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, keep liking the videos, keep subscribing, keep telling your friends, and I'm going to get us some more educational videos out here so we can keep on rolling. Once again, Running Bear Central, here we go. Thanks, guys.